Ever wondered if those gorgeous roses in your bouquet could actually live again? What if I told you that you could turn those fading flowers into real, growing rose plants right at home? Sounds suspiciously impossible, right? Well, let's uncover the truth behind this floral secret: how to grow roses from a bouquet and make them bloom again. Roses, more than just a gift. Roses from bouquets aren't just pretty, they're full of hidden potential. Most people toss them away after they wilt, but with the right method, those same stems can give rise to living rose plants. It's a trick many gardeners swear by, but few actually talk about. The secret lies in knowing how to pick and prepare the perfect cutting. Choosing the right rose stems. When selecting stems, go for the healthy ones: green, firm, and with at least 2 to 4 growth nodes. Avoid brown or weak-looking stems. Remove all the leaves and flowers so the plant can channel its energy into roots instead of blooms. Here's a little secret: lightly scratching the base of the stem helps it absorb water and form roots faster. Rooting roses in water. One of the simplest ways to start is by rooting the rose in water. Fill a small container, around 6 to 8 inches, with fresh water and submerge the stem's base by about 2 inches. Change the water every few days to keep it clean. Over the next few weeks, you'll start noticing tiny roots forming. That's your cue to transfer it into a pot with a well-draining rose mix or a blend of sand and vermiculite. Rooting roses in soil. If you prefer soil propagation, use a 6 to 8 inch pot filled with a good quality rose potting mix. Before planting, dip the cut end of the stem in rooting hormone. It dramatically increases success rates. Create a small hole, plant the stem, and gently firm the soil around it. Cover the setup with a clear plastic bag to mimic a greenhouse, but make sure it doesn't touch the cutting. Place it near a bright window and wait for the magic to begin, keeping roses happy after rooting. Once your roses start rooting, the real care begins. Keep the soil moist but never soggy. Roses need about 1 inch of water a week. Gradually remove the plastic cover for a few hours daily to help your new plant adapt to open air. Feeding and supporting new growth. As new leaves appear, it's time to introduce a mild, balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. This helps the young plant strengthen its roots and foliage. If you're growing long-stemmed roses, add a small stake or cage for support to prevent them from bending or breaking. Pruning and mulching for healthy roses. Pruning is essential for shaping your rose and encouraging bushy growth. Do this in late winter or early spring by removing any dead or weak branches. Finish off with a layer of organic mulch, like bark or compost, around the base. It keeps the soil moist, controls weeds, and gives your roses a thriving environment. And that's the secret behind growing roses from a bouquet. The next time someone gifts you roses, don't just admire them, multiply them. If you found this floral trick worth trying, hit that subscribe button and like the video for more amazing plant secrets that actually work.